This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss line statement in GW Basic Programming Language, and the module number is 30 and the chapter name is Graphics in GW Basic. So let's start. Like line, like circle, line, command still has a few secrets we need to explore. Here is the full syntax of line. Line is the keyword. It will be used with the x and y coordinates minus x comma y comma color comma bf. The coordinates and the color number should be familiar. We have added something after the color. The B and F stand for box and fill. These options allow us to create a box without drawing all four sides and to fill the box with the color. To create a box, the x and y coordinates identify two opposite corners of a box. For instance, when we introduced the line command, we created a box around the edge of the screen. To do this, we used 4 line statements. The box option can be done in one command, and the lines are 10 screen 1 line 20, color 1 comma 0 line 30, line 0 comma 0, starting in the ending x and y coordinates, and 319 x2 comma y2 values. Color is 2 and it will be a box filled with box. So I'm gonna execute this program in the IDE. So let's switch to the IDE, viewers. Here we are. We will type line 10, screen 1, line 20, color 1, 0, line 30, line 0, 0, minus 319, 1, 199, 2, B. Press enter key, pressing F4 key, saving this program, type box.bas, or can type box1.bas, and press the enter again, press the F2 key, so you can see we can see a box. It is a filled box with blue color on the screen. So let's discuss the execution of this program line by line in the text area, viewers. So viewers, we have just executed a program by typing three lines. Line 10 we have used screen statement with screen 1 mode. Line 20 we have used color statement 1, 0, line statement having x and y1 coordinate x1 as 0 and y1 as 0, minus x2 as 319 and y2 as 199, 2 as a color code and b as a fixed box with filled color. Now we're gonna interpret this program, so let's see. Notice that our coordinates are the top and the bottom right of the screen, leaving of the B option. Be sure to remove the comma in front of the B also. Next, put the B back and add an F after the B. Do not add a comma between the B and the F. By using variables and for next loops, we can create triangles with the line statement. To do this, replace one of the coordinates with an integer variable. The triangle will be drawn one line at a time with each pass through the loop. Enter this example. Line 10, screen 1, line 20, color 1, 1, line 30, for x percentage equal to 100 to 220, line 40, line 160, 50, minus x percentage, 150, 3, line 50, next x percent. So we have used percentage symbol with the variable named x because it's an integer variable. That's why So let's execute this program in the IDE viewers. Let's switch to the IDE of GW Basic Programming Language, where we will execute this program and see the output, how this program generate an output on the screen. So here's in line 10 we will type screen 1, line 20, color 1, 1, line 30, for x percentage equal to 100 to 200, line 40, line 160, 50 minus x percentage, 150. So here the value of x2, we have used a for counter loop for x percentage, which is the x2 coordinate starting from 100 to 200. The step of 1, 3 is the color we're going to use with line statement, and then line 50 will type next. X percentage, which is next statement, is used for the termination of the for counter loop. Now we'll type the name of the program by pressing F4 key. We'll save this program and type name as loop line.bas, and I'm gonna press the F2 key and we'll see the output of this program. So you can see slightly, you can see a triangle on the screen. So let's switch to the text area viewers, where we will discuss the output and the execution of this program line by line. So viewers, you can see that we have typed 5 lines, and from typing 5 lines and after the compilation process, we have received this output from the GW Basic Programming Language. We can see a triangle on the screen, but here we would like to discuss the interpretation, how this triangle is drawn on the screen with the help of all these 5 lines. So let's start the interpretation. First, we need to know that the pyramid and the top of the pyramid is located at coordinates 160, 50. The bottom of the pyramid is located on line 150 on the y-axis and runs from 100 to 200 on the x-axis. So in line 10 we have used screen 1 statement, which enables us to work in graphical mode. Line 20, color 1, 1 statement is used. Line 30, for counter loop is used with variable named x percentage with initial value 100 and final value 200 with an increment of 1. In line 40, line statement is used having x1 coordinate, or you can call the originating coordinate as 160 and y1 coordinate as 50 minus x2 coordinate as x percentage variable used with for counter loop, which will start drawing the line from 100 to 200 with an increment of, since there is no increment mentioned with the for loop, so it is understood that whenever there is no increment mentioned with the for loop, step is not mentioned, the step keyword is used to show the increment. So if the increment is not mentioned with the help of step keyword, that means that there will be an increment of 1. With an increment of 1, so you while executing this program at runtime, you will notice a slight movement of the execution of loop from position 100 to 200, which will enables to draw a pyramid on the screen. Y2 coordinate has the value has been assigned value 150, and after closing parenthesis and comma, we have used 3 as color. In line 50, next x percentage statement is used, which will terminate or stop the execution of for loop. So that's the whole interpretation of this program. Viewers, we have noticed that by using this loop we can see a pyramid on the screen, and this x percentages will have the position of 100 over here, and then it will slightly move from 100 to 200 with an increment of 1, and then you can see that how this line is drawn. So this line, this percentage, this loop will actually make this variable to draw a line from position 100 to 200 so that we can see a pyramid on the screen. But this again is filled with color, so you can see a pyramid on the screen. So that's all, viewers. Thanks for watching. In our next video we will discuss some more programs of GW Basic Programming Language. We will actually draw a rocket using the basic graphics program, and you will see that how amazing we can draw a rocket, or we can launch a rocket on the screen with the help of GW Basic Graphics Programming. That's all. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.